makes nasi padang special is its bold and rich flavor. The dishes are slow cooked with lots of spices like lemongrass, turmeric, and chili. Every bite is full of taste, spicy, savory, and sometimes a bit sweet or tangy. Nasi padang isn't just food, it's an experience. Imagine a plate of warm white rice with lots of delicious side dishes around it. You can pick anything you want, or if you want to try everything, go for the hidang style. That's when the restaurant brings out many small plates for everyone to share. In most Padang places, when you sit down, the waiter will ask, "Do you want to choose your own dishes, or do you want everything served?" If you choose your own, you just go to the counter and point at what you want. It's quick and simple. But if you go to hidang, get ready. They will fill your table with small plates and you only pay for what you eat. It's super fun, especially when you eat with friends or family.
So guys, and then the next are the various side dishes for nasi padang or padang rice. So next, padang rice side dishes are very varied, starting from main side dishes used as rendang, pop chicken, and balado beef jerky. To side dish with gravy sauce as gulai, shore and pet fish, and then grilled chili sauce. So, and then the taste of padang rice is rich and savory, slight sweet, and often spicy due to a combination of thin coconut milk, spices as lime leaf, lemongrass, and chilies.
Nasi Padang is not just a delicious meal. It is a reflection of the culture, values, and traditions of the Minangkabau people from West Sumatra, Indonesia. Every element of Nasi Padang carries deep meaning and represents the way the Minangkabau live their lives. In the first, the variety of dishes served in Nasi Padang represents togetherness and diversity. In one meal, you can find spicy, sweet, and savory flavors all on one plate. This teaches us about harmony and diversity, a core value in Indonesian culture. In the second, the serving style of Nasi Padang, where dishes are displayed openly and shared, reflects generosity and honesty. The Minangkabau believe that food should be shared with others, showing respect and hospitality to every guest. In the third, the use of natural ingredients and traditional cooking methods show respect for nature and heritage. Every spice and recipe is passed down through generation, reminding us to preserve our culture and environment. In short, Nasi Padang is more than food. It is a story of wisdom, community, and gratitude. It connects people, celebrates culture, and reminds us that food can carry the soul of a tradition. So, when you eat Nasi Padang, you are not only tasting Indonesia, you are experiencing its local wisdom and heart. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.
Well, now you have arrived at a very important part of today's lesson. Is how to enjoy your nasi padang, especially in the Indonesian way. Congratulations! You may be wondering how this differs from the way we eat every day. Therefore, the first important thing to do to enjoy your nasi padang is to eat with your hands. Okay? Eating with your hands may still something that is rarely used when you eat, especially in Europe and its surrounding areas. But however, for Asians like me, especially Indonesians, eating with your hands is normal and a pleasure in itself. Make sure to use your right hand, or we call it in Indonesian is the good hand. This may sound a little strange to your ears, but however, it is a very important and highly respected cultural practice for Indonesian. Also, don't forget the most important thing before you eat is wash your hand thoroughly so that the food is not contaminated with harmful bacteria. Second, add some sambal. Sambal can enhance the flavor when you eating your nasi padang. But remember, this is also optional for Indonesians because not everyone, not Indonesian, all of Indonesians people like spicy food too. And you have to adjust the level of spiciness to suit your taste bud. Remember, don't pour too much sambal because it can upset your stomach. And number 3, last but not least, use kerupuk. As mentioned earlier, there are various types of side dishes in nasi padang. However, not all nasi padang restaurants provide kerupuk when you order. So, make sure kerupuk are included as an essential accompaniment when eating nasi padang. They add some crispy texture and prevent the rice from feeling dry when you eat nasi padang itself. So that's it. That's how you can eat your nasi padang in the Indonesian way especially. So enjoy your nasi padang.
To sum it up, nasi padang is more than just a meal. It's a reflection of local culture, creativity, and togetherness. Every flavor in nasi padang has its own story. From the rice to the side dishes that make it special. When you try nasi padang, you're not only tasting the food, but also experiencing the part of our culture and the warmth of the people. If you haven't tried nasi padang yet, don't wait. Try it yourself and feel the taste of our culture.